Well, today's a fun one. It recently rained a ton, and I have a leaking skylight. We've got a nice little break in the storm, and I'm going to take advantage of it. I haven't done this before, so it's going to be kind of a learn as I go process. Some potential culprits that I see here. You know, the frame has separated from the window, and as you look inside here, you can see where it was leaking. Seems like it's leaking from right under this versus low on the flashing, so I think the flashing is in good condition. We'll start with the shingles. You can see where this was leaking. All this wood's rotted away. Dry rot there with white, squishy. Well, this skylight's torched. I thought maybe I could fix it, but no, the whole frame is messed up, and I'll need to replace the whole thing. So I guess next step is taking off the main frame. As far as what I can tell, there's 4 of these side brackets, and I'm thinking it'll just lift right off. Well, it's day 2, and it's early in the morning, probably around 6 a.m. Got up here, and the roof is definitely a little frosty. So we're gonna have to wait till it's a little bit later in the day and this all dries up. So one thing I want to try to do is tuck this top edge under the tar paper, because I feel like that would be smart, and that's what a smart person would do. Tell you what, I'm really procrastinating cleaning my area up here. I'm just fighting it every step of the way. All right, today's the day. Finish this thing. I keep getting inundated with work and I can't finish it. So today is the day that I have allotted to finish it. So let's get this thing done.